Hi students, let's continue with the DFA examples. So why I'm telling so many of examples means the more the examples you can try, you'll get the concept of DFA. So here they're asking the question like construct DFA accepting all strings over AB. So each state has to go for one particular path A and B, and the string should end with AB. So here they are saying that whatever the language I taken, that string should end with AB. Ending should be AB. So AB means the minimum length of the string is 2. Ending with is AB. Starting they didn't set. So ending with AB or AB. So like this, whatever it may be, whatever the string you are taking, the ending should be AB. So what is the minimum length here? The minimum length is 2. So number of states are participating in the DFA, or the number of states is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 states are there. Okay, so let me take Q0, Q1 and Q2. Okay, so first take the minimum length. This is the initial state, and let me take this is the final state. Why I am taking this final state means, see here. So if you take minimum length, Q0 on A goes to Q1 and Q0 on B goes to Q2. So the AB string is accepted because it has to reach the final state. So Q0 on A goes to Q1, which is a transition function next state. Q1 on B transition function leads to final state Q2. So AB is accepted. Okay. So Q0, the string should starts with the they didn't say the string has starts with either A or B. It doesn't say anything. So it can be start with A or it can start with the B. Okay, so the Q0 can start with A, that is also true, and the Q0 can start with B, this is also true. So because it is B, so AB is accepted. Okay, AB is also accepted. So now coming to the Q1. So the Q1 is first, it's going to the B, and next input is A should be there. So the final is it has to reach to the B, A, and the ending of the string should be A only. So AB. So this is also accepted because the ending should be AB. So Q1 is over. Now coming to the Q2. So Q2, the string should end with AB. So A. If I take this, if I take Q2 on A, it goes to A. On Q1 A, it goes to AB. So AB. So this is also accepted. So that's why I had taken the input A. Next, the input on B. So Q2 on B, A, B. Okay, means whatever the intermediate you are taking, the final should be end with AB. So that's why I have constructed this DFA. You will get a doubt, ma'am, how you understand? How can I know that I have go to A like this and I have go to B for here only, not here? Because in the DFA there is a rule, only one path should be there for one state. So for one state it has to go only one input A. Okay, here you can't go, the B cannot goes to here. Okay, suppose if I take the B loop here, I'll get BB. So the BB string is not accepted. Suppose if I taken something like here, you'll get it. Suppose if I take here, this is wrong because BB. The string will ends with the BB, but it is wrong. So that's why I have taken the loop to here. I can't take to here because already Q2 is going to next state on A to Q1. So next in the DFA, I have to choose another state on that another input because only one path should be there for one input. Okay, so this is how you can construct the DFA accept all strings over AB. So don't be confused. If you know the rules, then you can easily construct. By seeing this question, you can easily construct that state. Okay, thank you.